Changing your security settings on Betterment is essential for protecting your account. Follow these steps to ensure your account is secure. Step 1. Log in. Access your Betterment account by visiting the website or opening the app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile menu or under account settings in the app. Step 3. Select security settings. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled security or security settings. Click on this option to view your current security configurations. Step 4. Update security features. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page to finalize your new security settings. By following these steps, you can effectively change and enhance your security settings on Betterment. Regularly reviewing these settings is a good practice to maintain account security.